Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is September 4th, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, so we have the big non-farm payroll report out. Looks like the futures right now are trading down about 20 points, 19.26 per contract. It is another ugly day out here on the street. Now we're going to have to look and see who wants to hold into the weekend. So again, non-farm payroll report is out. We did have a big spike and then a big decline, and now futures are trying to recover a little bit, but nonetheless, they're still down about 20 points at the moment. So it's going to be another wild day out here, and we'll see how it plays out. If you look at my left screen, you see the U.S. dollar index, which has been all over the map after the non-farm payroll report, is now moving higher again. So the dollar holding firm for the most part, at least at this point in time. At the same time, we do have gold futures trading up about $2.40, but we'll get to them a little bit later. Now, last night in Asia, you did have Japan and also India down about 2%. That's a pretty ugly decline there. China was shut down for a holiday, so Chinese market was closed last night. Europe is down across the board. But let's look at some stocks in the news today. I'm going to start the day off with PAY, which is Verifone, and you're going to see this is trading at $30.05, closed at $31.05, so it's a little bit lower. There's still a fair amount of support down here all the way to 28 bucks. So again, I don't see much going on here, but this is one that would be on our radar today in the intraday stock chat room. So if you do want to trade this alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial. We've been having a great trading week, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the weekend. Next up, we're going to take a look at Ambarella. This has been absolutely hammered. Semiconductor play. It's a chip that runs those GoPro cameras. Also, it's in the drones. The stock has just been absolutely annihilated. It closed at 73.15 yesterday, now trading at 71. So come on over. I got levels for Ambarella. We'll try to play that equity today if we do come down further. Next one I want to take a look at is Tesla, TSLA. Everybody knows this stock. Stock is trading lower today. It closed at 245.57. It is now trading at 241.5. You're having a nice little downtick on Tesla. That will be in play today as well. Levels that I'm looking at here for Tesla, if it really sold off sharply, we'd look all the way around 220. But right now you got a big level around 230 with a gap window there. So that would be a level to keep note. Some may say, well, the stock's at 241. It may not get there. If you've ever seen Tesla, this stock can move. So be prepared. The stock is a big-time mover. Let's take a look at Netflix this morning. Netflix was under pressure yesterday. Closed at 101.06. It is now trading at 98. Again, a little bit of support here for Netflix in my opinion, but the stock has definitely been a little bit on the weaker side, so we want to be a little careful with that. But this is a name that we would look to play in the intraday stock chat room today. So again, come over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. Let's take a look at Sony. Remember, Japan was down last night. Sony is rebounding a little bit off the lows, but its stock did close at $25.32 yesterday. It is trading at $25 now. A lot of support for Sony, still around 23 bucks if it does get down there today. Let's look at some Indian ADRs. Tata Motors. You can see this is not moving, but this will be in play once the market opens up. Remember, India was down last night. Also, Infosys, INFY. Stock is trading at 17, closed at 17.50. I'm seeing some short-term support for Infosys right around the 16.30 level, so maybe 16.25, and then more at 15.30 if need be. But both levels should be intraday support. India, the Bombay Sensex Index was down over 2% last night. Let's take a look at oil play here. BP, I did see some news on it. I forget exactly what it was. Stock closed at 32.41. It's trading at 31.30. So be a little bit careful here. The 2010 low in BP was 26.75. So again, if these levels continue lower, that could be where BP ultimately tests. Let's take a look at Gap stores. I think they came out with same-store sales yesterday. Right now it's trading at 32.25. Stock closed at 33.01. Not a big deal there. We'll see if the stock can hold 32. Next up, NVIDIA. NVDA is the ticker symbol here. Not a big move, but the stock did close at $22.27. Now trading at 21.01. Not a lot of volume here. so we'll have to be a little bit careful. But I am looking at support around 1975 for NVIDIA today if it does get down there. So keep that on the radar. All right, gold futures right now have gone negative by 50 cents. They're trading at 11.24 per ounce. Let's take a look at the GLD. GLD, you can see all over the map right now, trading at 107.66. But look at this big spike and then a big move down. So pretty interesting to see that. Crude oil futures are trading down by 75 cents to $46 a barrel. Take a look at the USO this morning. Oil's been a wild ride as of late, but you do see it coming down quite sharply at the moment. All right, so markets again under pretty good pressure this morning. This is not the way we normally start a holiday weekend. Remember, this is the final trading day before the Labor Day holiday, but it is a pretty nasty morning decline. Futures are falling further. They're now down 22.5 points to 19.23 per contract. So again, we'll see if anybody wants to hold this market into the weekend. It's going to be an interesting trading day out here, to say the least, but we are waking up to good volatility, and generally volatility will lead to good morning trading action. So with that being said, everybody, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing there. Also, try out the Research Center, take a 7-day free trial there. You'll see everything that we're doing there as far as our nightly setups and our cycle work and all of our swing trades. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the chart.